Imagine pointing a laser at water and it instantly turning to ice. It sounds like sci-fi, but scientists have discovered that lasers can freeze supercooled water instantly, and this breakthrough could even help us control the weather. In experiments, researchers have used lasers to instantly freeze supercooled droplets, proving that light alone can control ice formation. However, it's extremely difficult, and it would be way too hard for me to do this as it would take perfect conditions and tools to make it work. But with the right disturbance, like impact on a solid surface, or a laser like we've been talking about, this water can freeze instantly. As you can see, the water starts instantly freezing as it's cold enough to do so, and the impact starts the crystallization process which is needed for it to freeze. Supercooled water is water that has been cooled below its freezing point, yet remains in liquid form. This phenomenon occurs when water is free from impurities or nucleation sites where ice can begin to form. To produce supercooled water, we begin by placing a bottle of pure distilled water into a freezer. But there's a trick. Set the temperature to just below freezing, around -5 to -10 Celsius, and not below -18 Celsius, where ice will normally form. Leave the water in a freezer for about 2 to 3 hours. The water should be undisturbed to avoid any vibrations that could cause and trigger the freezing process prematurely. After this time, the water is supercooled. Frozen ice hasn't formed yet, but the smallest disturbance could cause it to freeze instantly. This sudden freezing is called flash freezing. Once disturbed, the supercooled water will rapidly turn into ice, demonstrating the delicate nature of its liquid state. Who knows, this process might even be used to control the weather in future years. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.